Hi y'all, welcome back to Bam Glam DIY. On this edition, it is power packed with a lot of information and you'll be learning how to make a lightening soap, making use of these two components, turmeric and Kojic dip. There is a whole lot of beauty soaps out there that is written on the body, contains turmeric and contains Kojic, and they are actually sold very expensive. You can actually make use of that. Do you know that both this turmeric and kojic acid actually has a lot of skin potential benefits? It can help to lighten your skin and treat a lot of things. So in this video, we'll be diving more into it and the purpose, why we need them, why you think you need this turmeric. Turmeric is actually naturally occurring, why kojic acid is not. Kojic acid is a drug. Is actually a drug. We add it in some of our formulation skincare formula to actually help to improve our skin. On the other hand, turmeric, like I said, is naturally occurring. It has this ability to help soothe redness because of some properties that it contains. Therefore, people who has these issues of acne, eczema can actually benefit from adding turmeric or making use of any skincare product that has turmeric in it. In fact, to tell you the gospel truth, most brands out there that are into skincare products has their own line of turmeric face wash, turmeric cleanser, turmeric body butter, turmeric this, turmeric soap, and it sells a lot. Then for the kojic dip, it is actually kojic acid dipalmitate. It is a derivative of this kojic acid. It is a more stable form of kojic acid. It is very, very stable. It helps to actually lighten your skin. It is one of the basic ingredients if you want to hasten up or try to brighten your skin in a faster way. Welcome back to my channel on Bam Glam DIY. So like I explained before in the intro of the video, we'll be making a kojic acid and turmeric soap. And we will not be making these soaps from scratch. We'll be making use of melt and pour soap base. So many of us have been hearing, what is this melt and pour soap base? Why do we need it? There are actually different types of it out there. There are the ones they call goat milk melt and pour soap base. There is the shea own, the one that contains shea butter. There are different types of it. Melt and pour soap base is not only coconut oil, but do you know why you need it? It saves you the stress of going from the beginning point to make the soap. It saves you from the stress of exposing yourself to caustic soda and some other volatile compounds. So it is there in the beauty shop. It is also used to create designs and toppings when you are making a cold processed bar soaps. You see some soapers using it to make colorful designs, colorful toppings, and then use it to place on top of their soap to actually beautify their soap. So some of them are clear, transparent, while some of them are opaque, like the goat milk soap base is not actually clear. It's kind of creamy. There are different types of it, like I said. I have a combination of some here, but in total, I'm using about 400 grams of soap base. So if you want to be creative and make your own soap for your household and you don't want to go into the stress of producing the soap from scratch, please just buy soap base. You can buy a kg of it and set aside in your house and then make use of it for all your formulas. So what you need to do is, after cutting it out, just place it on heat to melt it. Like you have seen, I've melted my own, and then you can go ahead and combine in your actives to it. I'm making use of turmeric. Turmeric helps to actually lighten your skin. It has a very good ability to lighten your skin. So many persons can attest to that. It can help to lighten hyperpigmentation issues. Those that have dark spots, probably from acne, for pimples on their skin, even eczema issues. Kojic acid deployment also functions to also help to brighten your skin, help to treat melasma, help to treat hyperpigmentation, dull face. If you have a face cream that has kojic acid in it, it can actually help to promote your facial appearance, help to remove dark spots and all of the above. And then when you now combine this turmeric and kojic acid together, you have a power combo in your products, be it soap, be it a cream, be it a facial wash, be it a facial toner or a mask, you will have the best of it. And what's the mechanism of action? How does kojic acid work? It works by inhibiting melanin in your skin, thereby giving a brighter skin appearance. So this helps to lighten your skin and lighten pigmentation, and then all those issues that include sunspots on your skin or age spots and melasma. Kojic acid deep can help to relieve you of those skin issues. So many of us have it here. So it's not every time you come on my channel you want to learn how to make bar soap, you want to learn how to make detergent, you want to learn how to make liquid soap. Let's make something for our own skin. Let's make something that we can use for our own skin and help to improve our own beauty. Also bear in mind that turmeric helps in wound healing. Some persons can attest to that. Something like scarring on the skin, applying some turmeric cream or turmeric portions over it can help to fade those scars. Even issues of stretch mark, turmeric is actually very good and very potent. Only this my video is not enough to tell you all the things that turmeric and kojic acid can do for your skin. So you can actually go online or go on Google and then help yourself and read more things about it. But bear in mind that these two, based on my research and based on knowledge, these two combo is actually very good and effective if you want to lighten your skin as quickly as possible. Once you are done combining everything, you can actually reduce the quantity of the turmeric you are using. But I'm making this for home use, not for sale. If you want to improve your color, the more you want it very tiny yellow, you can actually reduce the quantity of the turmeric you are using. It's a natural occurring compound. There is nothing like overdose of it, but some persons may react to turmeric. So always do a patch test on your skin, and then you can go in with your fragrance and also vitamin E oil if you want to add. The fragrance is optional. If you can't use your soap without fragrance, please do add. For the other persons that want to make it without fragrance, you can also make it without fragrance, and then you add in some vitamin E oil, stir everything together, and then you can also go ahead and pour it into your mold. If you don't have a soap mold, please use any container in your house. You can even use the 4-corner ice cream plate you use in dishes soup in your freezer. You can use it and pour the mixture, and then when the soap has hardened up, you can use your knife to cut it into square shapes so that you and your family can enjoy it. This kind of soaps are sold as beauty soap, facial soaps, and they are sold in small quantity. A smallest 50 gram can be sold as expensive as 5,000 naira. I'm telling you, people that make this kind of beauty soap, and they work, they are very, very effective. They work. You make it for yourself. This is a small sample. Make it for yourself. Try using it, and then you understand what I mean. This is a powerhouse soap. This is a very powerful soap. We'll make more of this in future on my channel, so stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and welcome to my channel. Also like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please like my video, share my video to your friends. If you know anybody that is having any skin issue, please share this video to the person. The person may actually benefit from watching this video and help him or herself to treat one skin issue or the other. Please bear in mind some of the important consideration. Some persons with very sensitive skin may actually be sensitive to even the turmeric that is occurring in its natural state, and also kojic deep. So it is good that after making this soap, you do a patch test on a specific part of your skin, probably at the back of your hands or in your long arm. Please try and do it. Also know that the use of this combination of these two components can also lead to sun sensitivity. So it's good when you are making use of this kind of beauty soap to improve your skin. You also Make use of sunscreen. There are different types of sunscreen sold in the market. The nearest beauty store around you has sunscreen, so please put on your sunscreen. And then I would suggest, if you have skin sensitivity, use this soap at night to bathe. Don't use it in the morning when you are heading out under the sun to have a very hectic day, unless you are working in a very cozy environment under the AC, chilling in an AC, going from an AC house to an AC tight car to an AC tight office. If this is not your routine, you walk outside, you make your daily bread by walking under the sun, please make use of this soap at night. It's not as if we don't buy a Kojic sand soap and make use of it morning and night, but to tell you the truth, if you want to get the best from your skincare, so please make use of it in the night, especially if it is advisable for you to make use of sunscreen. Also, note that there can be actually a potential discoloration. Turmeric on its own is a coloring agent. So bear in mind that you may have issues of, oh, my white towel got stained, is yellowish in color. I can see some of the foams coming out from my soap is kind of yellowish. I noticed that the soap I used caused my towel to change color, but all those things are just for a while. Before you know it, it clears off or it washes off. Turmeric is a coloring agent, apart from it being used in skincare formulation, so you bear that in mind. For some persons that make use of turmeric to make their body butter, they know what I mean, that it actually stains. I have tried in this video to do justice to these two components, turmeric and kojic acid. I've listed their benefits and also how they even work to help to inhibit melanin and lighten your skin. I've also gone further to also give you some important consideration you should consider before making use of this soap. As for its skin sensitivity and sun sensitivity, and then its ability to discolor. So please bear this in mind that this is a full video and I've tried as much as possible to elaborate all points concerning this beauty soap. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said in the beginning that it is power packed. I know it is actually power packed. Expect more from my channel. Just subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Also click the like button and share to that your beautiful girlfriend. Thank you very much.